Hi, my beautiful farm clients. How are you doing today? Thanks for checking into the video. Today's video tutorial will show you how to duplicate a sheet in Excel. To start, you open up the worksheet you want to duplicate. Now, to duplicate this worksheet into another sheet, you select the data in the sheets you want to duplicate. You click on the icon here to select all data. Then you right click and you select or click copy. Now you open up the sheet you want to paste the duplicated file. You press the key, the cell here, then you right click and select the paste option, and you can see that your files or your data has been duplicated into these sheets. So that is how you easily and successfully duplicate a sheet in Excel. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more tips. Bye guys.